Hi guys, hi YouTubers, hope you're well today. I'm going to quickly show you, or my downline, how to connect your wallet when it's all set up. Okay, right, the first thing you need to do is connect wallet. So I'm connecting wallet to my MetaMask wallet. Okay, it just takes about 2 minutes. A minute actually, we're not even at 30 seconds. Okay, right. Okay, I've been involved in HODL for around 8 days now, so I've earned $40 of USDT, so that's good. Um, I haven't built a team yet. I'm just testing this out, so I'm quite happy with this business. I do like to test platforms out before I really promote this and send it to my email list. So that's what I'm going to do. I have invested. Let's have a look. Where's my liquidity? There we go. I go to my liquidity, scroll down. I have chosen a package for 90 days. So that is 0.5% daily. So per month it's 15% per month. And so it's 45% in 3 months. You can withdraw every week the profit generated. You can do that every Monday. I haven't done it yet, but my upline has, and a lot of members have as well. So good. It's all going well. So I have done a video. Well, I've done a landing page of how to do this, how to connect your wallet, how to install your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so if you're happy with this business, or you're happy, or you're interested, either leave a message in the YouTube channel, or send me a message privately. And I also do one-to-one if you're interested, and just set you up. But if you're quite clued up with crypto and you're quite techie, you can do it yourself. This sort of business you have to earn and learn. It's like most businesses online. You will not ever get 100% perfect. You have to take a risk and then learn and earn. That's like we normally do, or other people do. Most people, I want to know the ins and outs and everything. They want to know 100% how it works. Blah blah. By the time you've done that, you're not going to make any money. Sometimes you've got to kind of get yourself out of the comfort zone and take a risk, like I have. I put $1,000 in this business, and I put my money where my mouth is. And the minimum deposit is $100. You can start with $100. It's up to you. There is free packages here. There's a 30-day package. Okay, pays you 0.3% daily. Okay, all right, which is 10.2% per month. Okay, as I said, you can withdraw the profit every Mondays, and you do get your seed money back out within the contract time. And there's no one here for 60 days. That is 0.42% daily. Pays you 25.2% per month. Okay, which is not bad. Not bad return. Not greedy, but good. And there's 90-day one. I like the 90-day one because it's a bit more. They pay me a little bit more money, 0.5% daily. So 45% 3 months. So it's pretty good. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, all good. So I'm going to actually pay some more money in. I think I'm going to have another 90-day contract. Okay. So I will go to my MetaMask wallet, and I'll buy another package. Why not? It's got to be done. Happy days. There we go. Say $1,000. Right. So at the end of the day, guys, I'm happy with the business. So I'll put my money where my mouth is again. So as you can see, I paid $1,000 on the 12th of November, and I'm going to do another $1,000 because I'm quite happy with this business. A lot of people are very, very happy withdrawing every week. I'm actually compounding. I want to compound this really. It's up to me if I want to. Withdraw, but I want to compound, and I'm going to give it, say, a good few weeks to build up, and then I'll do a withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal is anything. You can actually withdraw $10, I do believe. So happy days. Anyway, let me do a purchase. So approve. So I'll click on a button there. My MetaMask wallet will pop up. Okay, and then go to next. Approve. Okay, let it do its thing. Okay, well, it takes a bit of time, this does. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait, add liquidity, yes. Okay, pop up again. Scroll down. Let's see, custom ones, yes. Okay, so you've just got to be patient within the crypto niches. If you've got no patience, you'll make no money. Anyway, let's have a wait for this. What's going to happen, shall we? Okay. This takes a little bit of time. Sometimes it's quicker. It depends on the blockchain, I suppose. Here we go. Success. Bingo. Happy days. Right. So that has gone into the platform. Another $1,000. So that's all good. And yeah, just so I'll increase my return on investment every day. So instead of 7 days a week, I've been started 7 days ago. 35 days. $35 I've made. It says 40, but it's the 8th day. So I'll be on $70 a week now. So I'm just building slowly, but I haven't built a team. Yeah, not yet. I'm gonna just give it another 2 more weeks, and then I'll start really kind of getting this out there, because I reckon it's got a lot of legs. This company, really good. I'm happy with it anyway. We do have webinars every day. Well, I do like the transparency of the business, so that's good, and I'm very happy with it. But the beauty about this, guys, you can actually get your money back out within the contract time. I know a lot of people on my upline has taken their money out. They've been in it for about, say, 3 or 4 months, you know. But I've only been in it for about, say, 8 days. But it's new to me. I like it. It took me a bit of time to kind of get used to the platform. I have done in the past Pancake Swap, very similar, but you're using other coins, not just kind of tied into one company, you know. I use Pancake Swap, and I use what's the other company? Oh god, I'm trying to record now. Oh dear, Uniswap. They're a very good company, good reputable companies. But I do like this, how they do this, and how this company does it, guys. They actually loan the money to the exchanges. So when people are swapping their coins, we're adding liquidity to the pool, okay, and they're paying us fees, which is pretty good. I like that. You know, it's not trading, it's not mining, so we're getting paid by fees, by wallet fees. You know, virtually 24/7. You know, 7 days a week. Happy days. That's what we want. You know, so we do have webinars every week. For the training, that is, but we do have webinars every day discussing, you know, what's going on, how to invest, you know, there's some events going on as well. There's an event in about 2 weeks' time in Dubai, and you know, guys, very transparent. I like it, and it's working really well. Anyway, if you're interested to learn and interested to invest or whatever, give me a PM me, or you can just go to my video. I've put a link below, okay, so you can sign up. Okay, let me quickly show you my my landing page. So I'll just quickly go through that. Okay, here we are. Here we are indeed. This is my when you actually come into, or when you actually sign up, you actually come to this page. Okay, please read the information. Very important. Okay, these are the percentages you get. Just 30 days, 60 days. Just tells you what's going on, how much you get paid per day. Please watch this video. It just explains the concepts of the business. Okay, quite important. All right. If you want to build a team, great stuff. You don't have to. It's very, very optional. You don't, I know some people don't like building teams. Some people love it, But just read the information here. This is the comp plan anyway. So read the information. If not, just skip this and, just go to the next level. Step one, getting started. Right, okay, so if you scroll down here, if you've got a MetaMask wallet, it's fine. But if you have already, or if you haven't, please watch this video. It shows you how to create a MetaMask wallet, okay? Very, very basic, okay? And when you actually get a MetaMask wallet, always have BNB in the actual wallet because it acts as gas fees. This is video explains it anyway, so that's why important. Step two. Okay, step two is when you actually invest. Okay, so it tells you what's going on. Step two, read the information here. Okay, when you actually click the link, this is my referral wallet address. You come out with this bit here. That's my sponsor's wallet address there, engraved into the actual referral link, which is my referral link. And then watch step three. Okay, step three is participating. So watch this and read all the information and watch the video below. Okay, it tells you how to invest, blah 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 blah. Okay, safely. All right, and obviously very important. Take action button. This takes action button sets all your platform up. Yeah, so it sets all this up. Okay. So that's what you want to do. So it just gives you an idea, all right? Oh, lost my place now. Okay, so this is the main button here, take action button. Any information you want to talk to me or whatever, you want to contact me, here is my contact details, Matt Fees, that's me, okay? And my email address, and also you can friend me on Facebook, and you can contact me on Telegram. Okay, we do have a Telegram group for HODL, only for paid participants. The reason why that is, if you're a free member, just you can't come in because we find a lot of free members, all around the world. We do have scammers, people side recruiting, and it's just a nightmare. We have to edit and have to vet people really. But you need to be a paid participant, even if it's $100 you start with, okay? It's not a problem. And then you can either reach out to me and I'll add you to the group, okay? But it tells you what's going on. And also, we do have webinars every week, and we have one major one once a week as well, which is like a training session, okay? Meanwhile, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Thanks very much. And any questions, any answers, please put a comment below. And also give me a thumbs up, and also like my video if it's not okay for you. But anyway, take care, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Take care.